Yun na po yung question niya.
Sana po, bigyan nyo kami ng payo paano tumanda na merong konting yung wisdom.
Live, laugh, live, love, and love, and love.
Live, laugh,
Live, love, and love.
Live, love, live, love,
Napaka-general mo.
Gusto niya, detalyado.
Oh, Shakespeare. Very young, I was impressed by that little speech of Polonius to his son Laertes, and he says, "To thine own self be true, and it will follow the day, the night. Thou canst not be false to anyone." Yun lang ang, if you can really probe into that, you know that that's basic, and it's so human. Kaya to me talagang arts, it must be arts and life. It cannot be arts only.
So do you connect that to your old age?
Hindi nga eh, kasi marami tayong mga
You have to
bawal-bawal
say
eh.
to yourself be true. Ano yung implication yun yun?
Oo,
Nung
kaya
tumanda
gusto
kayo.
ko kain yan, at bawal yan, kanin mo. Please.
Yun!
Bawal to, bawal yan, puro bawal. Ngayon, to thine own self be true. The way I look at it is, kung yung ang gusto mo, kung gusto mong maglandi-landi, kung gusto mo
Importante yun, ano? Importante yun.
Hindi masama yun.
Oo, tsaka importante sa buhay yun.
Bakit nga nila, tayo iwan na sa hindi lang, nagpapagan ka pa. Bakit hindi? Kung pinagbigyan ka naman ng...
Oo, baka mali mo may 92-year-old lover.
Ayoko naman.
Pura naman ang adult diaper eh.
If you look at his, of the things that he has written and you try to memorize a little bit, like, yun nga, yung 7 ages of man, for example. He described how you are born as a child and what happens to you until you become old. And then you realize, na wala nang ikli ng buhay. And then after that, you don't know how it's going to be. Of our new saints, the Saint John Paul II, was an actor. Remember that? He was a very even in Europe today, pagka sinabing you are in the theater, or you are a playwright, or you are an actor, or you are involved in theater work, para bang ang tingin nila, you have a very high intellectual, you were gifted, in other words. Kasi tayo, if we look at things in terms of degrees, at saka yun nga yung magandang make-up, magandang materials, wala naman, hindi naman maaari lahat yun dahil kung hindi ka ng parang magkakamukha lahat ng babae ngayon.
Yes.
Parang lahat nakakorona. Parang very big business ngayon ng beauty contest.
Correct.
At saka parang, sometimes I wonder what the boys think. So maybe the boys are also thinking, also that's going to eventually become looking like girls. So what in India, I saw that the Brahma was also talking about I remember how shocked I would be at this kind of behavior. But when I went to India and I saw that Brahma was carved out of the cave, half man, half woman. So anciently, in fact, the history of India goes beyond the Greeks and the Romans. So sometimes I wonder sabi nga ni Severino Gonzalo, nung kami were starting the Arena Theater, he was saying that ako daw I was a strong person. I had the heart of a man. Ay, the face of a woman. Sabi ko, oh, isuno yun nga. Katugma yun yung nakita ko. That the kind of differentiation really is not quite natural. So, well, you just have to go with the times. Importante sa pagkatanda na you must try and understand the present in terms of the past. And whatever you learn from just meditation, if you like. Everybody's in yoga these days. Lahat nagpapayoga. At basta moda yan. Ngayon ang moda sa musical. And I remember, Nono, that when I met you at I met you at the Shangri-La Plaza that evening, and you were telling me about San Lorenzo Ruiz. And you were not happy about it. You were saying, musical na naman. Pero pinanood ko ang musical mo. Gulat na gulat naman ako. Yan ang klaseng musical na gusto ko nakita. Pero hindi yung, well, yung Ghost, kakikita ko lang eh. Yung Ghost, I was there because I was wondering how really, what would they be doing with a film trying to turn it into a musical. And I have been on that stage, remember, I was part of Mind's View with Joy Vinata. So I know how narrow that place is. But all of their, it is a triumph of technology as practiced in the theater. That's what we should see. Because as far as the different aspects like the behavior of the crowd, I thought it was first night, nagbihis naman ako. Hindi naman sila nagbihis. Wala na yung gano'n eh. At saka pati yung ushering, ang gulo-gulo eh. Ako, I'm just sincere about that. Hindi sila prepared sa front of the house. Parang sa bagay, sanay naman ako sa yung nung dalaga ako eh. Ang bahay kailangan malinis na malinis eh. Pagka bibisita, meron pang basahan para sa sahig. Pagpasok mo sa loob ng bahay, sinusundan ka pa ng page. Oo nga. Yung mga galaw na doon. Sanay ako sa gano'n eh. Pero naiintindihan ko naman kung maybe there are so many other things to think about. Especially the VIPs, the one who bought the tickets. That's probably the finance. Pero yung members of the tune, they were all there and probably just they were all on complimentary tickets because they're members of the company. But they were so noisy. So we could not enjoy
the play, even during the show?
Oh, during the show, ang hindi nga sila yung mga ganun mga kulat tayo ng kulat tayo ng respectability. I suppose even if I lecture on how to behave in the theater, kung manonood yung student ko at nakita nila yung ganun kagulo. And to me, the audience is very important.